How to schedule a free assessment for Jellyfish Education Study in Japan program. A step-by-step tutorial from the assessment to the actual application. Step 1. Visit any of our social media pages and click the assessment form link. Step 2. Click the link and you will be redirected to our assessment form. Step 3. Fill out the first page of the form with your basic information. Step 4. Add your specific location for further assessment. Step 5. Indicate your preference on the way of the assessment. Step 6. Click the Submit button to complete the assessment or back to edit details. Disclaimer: our consultants will try their best to call you at your preferred time. They may, however, not be able to contact you immediately due to other engagements. Rest assured that they will contact you the soonest.